Hello guys, so today I'm gonna showing you how to install Bixby in any Android devices. So we absolutely can do that. Follow me to the end of the video and I'm gonna show you how we can do it. So guys, it's pretty free guys. All you have to do here is you just need to download some of the files which are linked in the description. Of course I'll be gonna give it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. We post every single day this kind of tech videos, and you can see it over here guys. I have installed this application. There are 3 of them applications which I'll be giving link down in the description, so you need to download that and install, and follow me till the end guys. So let me install every single application which was in the zip file. So it'll take some time guys, so please keep patience. Okay, now clear it out. So guys, from here you can open any Bixby app, so you need to make shortcut of their application. So for this you need to download a file name is you need that guys. If you don't have that file, you're gonna suffer because you can't like open the application. That's activity launcher. Download this, and okay, I'm gonna download this application now guys. Follow me till the end guys, because if you mistake any kind of like step, your process will go over guys. So open this application, this action launcher. So guys, you need to press second button and you need to keep patience guys. It's like it takes a little bit time, so let me introduce this app. This app is one of the best app which allows us to make shortcut of any files that you have, whether that can be application with they can be like zip file or some kind of else. So this is the important thing of this application. So we need to check where is Bixby home. So press Bixby home first and you can get create shortcut in that file. So the shortcut is in the home screen guys. You can look it over there. There is Bixby home. So we'll make sure that it works or not. I don't know exactly, but you can see it over guys. It shows its home page and it's look amazing guys. Recommendation and reminders, it's so great. Bixby is one of the best assistant in your phone guys. And guys, you need to give permission to this application, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm giving my Facebook permission to the Bixby app. Don't worry guys, it's officially from the Samsung, so you don't have to make any worries of that. So there we go guys, we got our official Bixby from Samsung. And then guys, you need to give permission of the settings also guys. If you don't have done that, please do it. I'm gonna do that right here. I'm updating a little bit, but okay, need to go over settings and give it out every single permission that it needs to run. Okay, and now it's great. You can see it over there, our home screen of the Bixby is on. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna post every single day like this kind of techniques. So thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna bring every single day this kind of tech videos, and you're gonna know everything, almost everything about tech in the boundary of our channel. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, and of course, peace out.